How to log into Chase Bank online banking account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Chase Bank online banking account. For this, launch open any web browser and search for Chase Bank. Now tap on chase.com. Once you're taken on this website, you want to tap on the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Then on this login portal, you want to enter some credentials. Start by entering your username. Once you have entered that, the second step is to enter your password. If you want these details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. If you want to use token, check the box that says Use Token and then enter your token over here. After you've entered all these details, tap on the sign in option. If the details you've entered are correct, you will be successfully signed into your account. If you have forgotten your username or password, tap on the Forgot Username/Password option. Then you will have to confirm your identity. For that, enter your social security number or tax ID number here. Then enter your account, card or application number. Now tap on the next option. Simply follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password or retrieve your username. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.